What's going on? This is the marvelous one, this stock, man. Don't you know you can invest into Bitcoin without opening up a Bitcoin wallet through Coinbase? Yes, you can do it with the IBIT ETF by Blackrock. Now, that stock ticker is I, B as in boy, I, T, IBIT. It's trading for roughly around $35.94. Uh, and it gives you you can buy one share, you can buy a fraction of shares depending on uh, what brokerage platform you use. And also, I know Fidelity, most of their 401 plans through Fidelity is now offering the IBIT through their 401 plans. And this is a great way if you want to add some Bitcoin to your portfolio mix. This is a great way to do it. Let's take a look here. Year to date, or ever since this ETF stock, IBIT, has been uh, up and running, uh, and that's been ever since it got approved in January. So the maximum return so far on IBIT is around 30. I'm sorry, it's 43.93%. And like I always say, yeah, when I'm talking about Bitcoin, this return of 43.93% was not a straight up trajectory. And I'll say this on every time I'm talking about Bitcoin, I would tell you Bitcoin is a speculative investment. It's a high risk investment. That's because it's still new. It's a new technology, but it's a growing asset. It's a growing technology. Uh, and anytime you have Fidelity and BlackRock, two of the biggest investment firms with the largest uh, investments under management, you're talking about trillions of dollars between the two of them. And now uh, Fidelity is starting to offer this in to their 401 plans and on their platform. Then you know that Bitcoin is now mainstream. Uh, Even in the election that's coming up in a few weeks, you have both candidates have been pressured to mention Bitcoin because 50 million people now in America are invested into Bitcoin. So I try to get the information out. I know a lot of people still don't understand it, and I understand that. Uh, I understand that a lot of financial planners at this particular moment cannot even talk about it, and some will tell you that it's a very risky investment. But when you got major players like Fidelity, when you got major players like BlackRock, you got major players like Charles Schwab, and they offering this uh, asset, and this asset and technology is still in its early stages. You know, something that, just in my opinion, that the everyday working class uh, person may want to take a look at. You know, right now Bitcoin is it's only a little bit over a 1.3 trillion dollar market cap. Uh, BlackRock CEO and founder Larry Fink uh, is calling Bitcoin digital gold. A lot of your heavy hitters on Wall Street is calling Bitcoin digital gold. So I think that the everyday hardworking person who's trying to grow their money and who it's not really comfortable with opening up a Bitcoin wallet on Coinbase, I think you ought to take a look at the IBIT ETF by BlackRock. Be sure to share this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to this page. Be sure to comment, write a comment. Tell me what you feel about Bitcoin. Tell me if you have it. Tell me if Let me know if you know of anybody that's invested in Bitcoin. Like I said in my previous videos, I've been an investor in Bitcoin ever since I could find a reputable platform to invest in Bitcoin, and that was with Coinbase. And as soon as the ETF came available, I also invested in the stock ETF IBIT. And with me being a trader too, I was able to trade in and out of it, and it's been a really good asset. Like I said, when we're talking about Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, you're talking about a high risk, high volatility investment. Once again, you can invest into Bitcoin by going through the stock market with the Blackrock ETF, IBIT. I'm the Marvelous One. Thank you for watching this channel. Peace.